Yo, welcome to another video, guys. If you missed the last video, basically I unboxed this nice, clean Swarovski crystal t-shirt. Will be in one of these eyes in the corner. But now we have our other t-shirt that I didn't, that I left. And this is the Paris box logo. Picture on screen, what it's meant to look like. But yeah, let's get into it and let's compare it. So it comes in a nice Supreme bag, which is good. It's got another Stock X tag, which is killing it. This is what you get in like the real Stock X as well. Nice, super clean. I've got two of them now. You get you get another retail Supreme bag. I've got like 50 of these. I don't need any more. You get another one of these things. So basically, if you didn't see in my last video, if you put it, this is meant to go around the collar, and you're meant to cut it and stuff, but they obviously didn't put it on, which is good. Ooh, this is super clean. This is super clean. So coming out of the box, well, the bag, it looks like that, very nicely fresh. You got the nice Supreme tag, and you've also got the nice Stock X tag. Going in over the box logo, there is a few like few notches here and there, which will just brush away. I don't know if you can see them. There's like a few little white speckles and stuff, but that is super clean. That box logo is super clean. I will try get all the little speckles off, but there we go. There we go. Nice clean box logo. That actually looks fire. On the back, it also does say, it says Bonjour, Madame. I can't speak today. Basically, you can read it. It just says Bonjour, Madame. I can't speak today. And then it's got the date, which is date into 2016. I think this is when this t-shirt came out. But this is really nice. Inside tag. Why don't these t-shirts have inside tags?
So I'm a bit stupid. T-shirts don't have inside tags because all the wash information is on the back of the. They're on the back of the sizing tag. Only hoodies have the little Supreme wash tag at the bottom. Oh, I'm so dumb.
Going over the thing. I bought this one in extra large. Very nice Supreme tag on the back. On the back as well, it's got the little reflective Supreme logo on the front, on the thing. This is fire. That box logo looks really nice. Like I said, I got these two t-shirts for free because I wasn't happy with one of my products, so they gave me store credit, and they basically gave me this for free, which is super nice. So this cost me, both of these tees, it cost me about $16, which is about £13 in the US, £13 in the UK, sorry. But this is super clean. I'm just wondering why this doesn't have like an inside tag. That is the only downside. It doesn't actually have like an inside tag inside of it, but which is weird. I don't know if Supreme stopped doing that, but I'm pretty sure they're meant to have an inside tag. Let me have a look. So from my research, it looks like it actually doesn't have an inside tag at the bottom. That could just be my research being wrong though. I have also seen that, as you can see on this t-shirt, it has like little spots and dots and stuff. Some of the t-shirts don't actually have them, and some of the t-shirts do. And if they do, then they're really faint. Obviously because people's worn them and stuff, nothing's gonna stay the same. But yeah, tell me in the comments what you actually think about this t-shirt. I think this looks really good. I don't know about you, but I think this is really good. The box logo looks super clean as well. Like I said, there is a little bit of white specks and stuff, but I can just go over that and like lick it off and stuff, just clean that off. But yeah, I think this looks really good. Let's try it on. Right, so as you can see, we've got the box logo on now, and it actually looks really super clean. The back, I will turn around so you guys can see the back. Don't know how well you saw that, but that looks really clean. This looks really nice. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. Obviously, I don't know if there's an inside tag or not. On the Swarovski box logo t-shirt, there actually wasn't a tag because this was the tag here. This was the care instruction tag. But I'm not sure about these box logo tees, so somebody tell me in the comments, please. But yeah, what do you think about this t-shirt? What do you actually think? The box logo looks super good. Like I said, there is a little bit of little bits of fray and little bits of white and stuff, which you can just easily move or paint over if you want to. But fitting wise, really nice. This Swarovski one was a large, and it actually does fit, surprisingly. But if you guys want me to do a giveaway on this t-shirt, tell me in the comments below. But other than that, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.